Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to allow user only enter any numeric value with or without decimal in WPForms plugin in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our form and we are using WPForms plugin and this is our field. So we are going to only allow number with or without decimal in field, not allow any alphabet. Now you see alphabet. Now go to form builder. So this is our decimal number, so click on it and then you see general advanced. So we are in advanced and then you see input mask. Now paste here alias colon decimal and you will find this input mask in video description or in comment section. So just add alias colon decimal in field and then click on save. Now save done, go to form page and refresh the page. So this is our decimal number field. Now hover on it and then you see 0. So you can add number with decimal and without decimal. So you don't add any alphabet character. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.